Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on ASUS ROG Phone 8. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down. Click on Delete your Google account. And here you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes and then click Delete account. Now your account has been deleted, so let's recover it by opening Google Play Store, for example, and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address and click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's recover it by clicking Next. And now I have to enter my password. Now click I agree and click accept. And as you can see, my account is now recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.